Hey there.
Howdy.
We are back because it is
Super Bowl,
Super Bowl season coming up in a couple of weeks, and we wanted to catch you guys before you start making all those crappy, unhealthy snacks, which are so good.
You can have some.
Yeah.
Let's make it combo.
Yeah, but we wanted to give you a couple of our favorite snack ideas that are healthy
And locale.
scrumptious and locale. Yeah,
Healthy and scrumptious.
Well,
and locale, yes.
healthy and scrumptious don't usually go together.
You're right, you're right. That's true.
Yeah. And one of them even sneaks in a whole lot of protein. The first one we're going to do is a ranch dip. And if you have ever had ranch dip with chips, it's addicting, right?
Yeah.
It is.
And mine's a popcorn. A new way to make air pop popcorn and flavor it.
Yes. I'm excited about that. I haven't tried that one yet. And she hasn't tried mine.
No.
So we're both going to...
And I don't like cottage cheese.
Yeah.
So this will be a test for me.
Yeah.
Because I don't like cottage cheese, so we'll see if I like it.
But I just buy the off-brand cottage cheese. This one actually, I think my husband bought, and it's not the low fat, but I know, but it still works. Any kind of cottage cheese works. And then my ranch dip. And also I have this toasted onion dip that we're gonna try as well.
With carrots.
Veggies, of course. Tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes. Tomato.
Yep.
And
Snap peas.
I wasn't sure what they were.
I call them snap peas.
I wasn't sure if they were green beans, but now that I look at it, they're not green
I
beans.
love snap peas. They're sweet peas, I think actually is what they're called.
Okay.
Because they're sweet. And I have a
Like me, because
Yes.
I'm sweet and you're spicy.
spicy.
All right, let's do it.
So first things first, what I do is I get out
How
my
that works
little, yeah, I know how this works.
We used it the other day.
I've used it before.
She didn't know how to
Yeah. All right, so I use half of one of these big, how many ounces is this? 24 ounces. So I use just 12 ounces for one of those packs of flavor. Okay, so I'm just gonna put half in there.
Do-do-do-do.
There we go.
All right, here we go. Ranch
Ranch
first.
dip. This says add sour cream, but we're adding
Cottage
cheese.
She forgot.
Okay. Donk. Okay. Oh, did you see how smoothly that went on? Okay, ready
Here
for
we
the
go.
noise. I just want to point out that you have to do it a while because it's lumpy. I don't know if I can show you. If you can see the lumps in there. So it takes a little while to do it. I like to do it until I like to process it until it's creamy, and it makes it better, I think.
Oh,
You don't want little tiny cottages in there.
cottages.
Whatever they are. Curds.
This is a cottage.
Okay, I think that'll do it. Okay. This will tell the tale. You like it?
Mm-hmm. Now I'm crunching all over the. Yeah. Now we're gonna do popcorn, air pop popcorn. I got this little air pop popcorn thing from, well, I bought it myself on Amazon. Smooshes down.
Oh.
My daughter-in-law was using it. It has this little plastic lid. You just take however much you want. For just me, I'll do a 1/4 cup.
How much do you think a half a cup makes? How many cups do you think it makes?
I don't know. I didn't. It'll fill up this whole thing.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. So you put the half a cup in. Then you take the little lid and you just put it inside. It goes.
That's it? You don't have
Yep.
to put
Nothing.
anything else in?
Nothing. Okay. You're gonna put it in. On mine, with the half a cup, I do the popcorn button on the microwave and then a minute more. Here we're gonna try a bunch of different flavors. We have ranch seasoning to go with our ranch dip. We're gonna try pizza popcorn.
I've never tried that one. Anything.
Yeah.
We'll
then chocolate donut and buttery cinnamon roll.
You can
I'm
see
excited
that
about
one's
this one.
almost empty.
Yes.
Because in fact, we could have done that one as well. I like to cut up apples, put them in the air fryer mixed with this.
Ooh, I want to.
Oh, they are
I
so,
wanna do
and you
that.
don't put anything else on them.
I also do a kettle corn one. We decided to leave it out only because it's a quarter teaspoon, it's 5 calories. So this way we can say it's a not 0 calorie. The only
popcorn.
calories are in the popcorn. To make it stick, I use the butter flavored cooking spray. Seems kind of funny to spray cooking spray on your popcorn.
I know, I know.
But it's 0 calories and it tastes really good and it works.
Yeah.
And I looked, I thought, oh my gosh, there's probably like 100 ingredients, and there really isn't. I mean, you know, there's some words I can't pronounce, but
It's not necessarily organic.
yeah, no. So you don't want to like consume it, I guess, all the time. I don't know.
Well, you don't. You use it on your popcorn.
Yeah,
but you
and it's
don't
not
use
that
every
much.
day, right?
So anyway, it'll be fun we'll put the popcorn into 4 different things and add the flavor and see which ones we like.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice.
There it is. Air popped popcorn. And look, super clean.
Nice.
All right, you do one, I'll do one.
Okay.
It's on the butter because it has to have something to stick to. Otherwise,
That makes sense.
I'm gonna
Plus,
do.
it makes it look buttery.
Yeah. I'm gonna do buttery cinnamon roll. Whoops, whoops.
Okay, I'll try the pizza one.
Mine.
Oh, that's better. Mmm.
That's pretty good.
It is. I like it.
I gotta get the.
It's good for a change, you know?
It's not a super strong taste. Ooh, this is stronger than that taste.
Well, I really dumped a lot in there. And that's a good thing about
Ooh,
this.
that's good.
Yeah. It's 0 calories.
Uh-huh.
So you could dump as much as you want in there, really.
Yeah, that's good. I like it.
Yeah, I do too.
All right.
Okay, what's the other
Moving
two?
on. The other 2 are
Ranch and chocolate.
chocolate donut. I did chocolate donut at home, and it wasn't much different than kind of the buttery cinnamon roll. Kind of tastes almost the same.
And I'm doing this. Whoops.
Whoopsie.
Uh-oh.
Chocolate donut.
It looks like it has chocolate on it. And this is the ranch one.
Again, it's not a super strong taste.
Let me try this one. Ooh, that's good. I like that one.
That one's good too.
They're all good.
Basically, probably any flavoring that you got.
Yeah, probably.
If you like that flavor, it's gonna go well on popcorn. And this flavor got all 0 calories, so that's probably good.
You know what? It's natural ingredients. The ranch has garlic, buttermilk, onion, sea salt, black pepper, yeast extract, parsley, and dill.
Awesome.
What does the chocolate have in it?
I don't know, I can't read it.
Honey,
Gold.
cocoa, cinnamon, coriander, cardamom, nutmeg. So,
Awesome.
okay, maybe that's why I ordered these to begin with, because they were natural.
Yeah, I think I have.
All natural seasoning.
Okay, I'm like,
I know, me too.
all right. All right, now we will show you our little setup.